I felt like I wasn't useful. And it got me to a point where I was like, yo, maybe this is why like some bros are just like, hey, as in it's too much.
Yeah.
I'm not justifying
Or condoning it.
condoning
Yeah.
it's terrible.
Yeah.
That's never the
Yeah.
answer,
Yeah.
But the amount of pressure that one feels it's insane. Ke gona. Now it feels as if I'm not even here. Because we had a miscarriage the first time, and it was during COVID times. And I remember one of the days, like Steph was in so much pain, and she literally said, call my mom to come. Like my heart just was like, yo, like in this instance, my presence is
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do everything and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uhungani Ndlovu beka aku interview and bekakhuluma about the relationship yakhe na Stephanie Ndlovu. We know ukuthi Uhungani and Stephanie bakuma process of divorce, and he's saying ukuthi he felt useless and not useful kuleya relationship because ngalesinye isikhathi bekabona njengazuthi mfati wakhe akam-appreciate uthi uyakhumbula during COVID time the girl had a miscarriage, and wathi girl yena kuye ngicela ufonele ma kwami etela, so uthi yena kwambhora lokho, kwamphatha kabi because wafila ngazuthi sho ukuthi yena kuba khona kwakhe akakho useful. So ufuna kugele ukuthi ufuna kubitwe makwakhe because ufela ngazuthi makulama kwakhe into tiyoba ngqono. Uthi nje it was a mess, or it was a mess. So nje ukhulumile abantu abaningi bathi ayi cha, siyakuvisisa or siyakuva. Some saying ukuthi hesasi, but some saying ukuthi cha, uyavakala nkosi yami, une-point lo bhuti into la ekhulumako. Some are even saying ukuthi maybe Stephanie was using the lendo yokuthi uyadika ukuthi yena she's older than the guy, so ngalesinye isikhathi bekamqenzetela ngenxa yaloko. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.